Zenith. Digitalize the experience. Model DTT901. The quality goes in before the name goes on. Isn't that just wonderful? And yes, this is brand new in the box. This will be my first ever opening a box on this channel. Maybe kind of difficult at first, but get to it. Now, there's the remote. Shrink wrap. This is what 2000s Air. Yeah, LG bought out Zenith back in the late 90s. Zenith basically just gave up. They couldn't handle it. Here's the remote. 2007 batteries, so that's what, 14-year-old battery? That's not good anymore. And here's the actual unit. Might be kind of difficult to get this out of here. Manufactured September of 2008. Yeah, it's a whole body. Body is all made out of metal. I looked online, and yeah, you can find a ton of these. I basically got this one for almost free. Yeah. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, and keep reaching for the stars. Until next time.